Check this out. Everybody's coming home. Check this out. The nest has new babies in it. So I guess I don't know what's going on. Look here. What about 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago? They had babies that was in that nest. They came out. They were all on the ledge. There's a lot of lightning and thunder outside. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Check this out. Mama, oh, she's chasing them all away. Check that out. Okay. Oh, she's ticked off. Look at everybody. Okay. It's about to start to rain. She's pulling guard duty. There's a screen there so they can't get in. Guess everybody went for cover.